What is K-factor? Explain its significance.
When sheet metal is bent using a punch and die, the inner fibers of sheet metal experience compressive forces, and the outer fibers of the sheet metal experiences tensile forces. In between, separating the compressive fibers and the tensile fibers is the neutral axis. The neutral axis does not experience either compressive forces or tensile forces. The K-factor is a constant. The K-factor defines the position of the neutral axis. It is mathematically calculated by the ratio of the thickness of the compressive fibers to the thickness of the sheet metal. The K-factor is used to calculate the developed length of sheet metal component. Usually, the value of the K-factor is 0.4. The K-factor depends on the sheet metal's bend radius, thickness, material, and bending type.
Only on www.royal-mechanical.com. Free internship for mechanical engineers. Learn CATIA V5 for free. Learn for free how mechanical engineers can get jobs. Learn for free mechanical engineering interview questions and answers, and simple spoken English for mechanical engineers to succeed in job interviews.